Hey everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. So I picked up a new Spellbinders die, well, new to me, and that is their Vivid Bloom. So this kind of goes hand in hand with all the other floral die sets that Spellbinders have. And I picked it up mostly because this flower right here seems to be a little different than all the other flowers that I have from Spellbinders. But I wanted to just use this because it was beautiful floral set. And then I also used one of my favorite die set, and it's this double stitched egg die, rectangle die set. And I believe I must have gotten this from maybe AliExpress. I'm not sure. I've had it for so long. But I just made a quick card for a friend that she wanted to give her aunt. And so here's the card. I used some paper by 49 in Marquette, and then other paper from my stash, and then this birthday greeting that was in, it's a waffle flower. I don't know which one, but I really like this die set. I love this flower here. And then of course, I really like this flower because it's so different than any of the other flowers that I've used. And then I put some gems on it from my stash. So I just wanted to share this card because I thought it turned out really beautiful, and I'm pretty sure my friend's aunt will love it, hopefully. And once again, that's using the Vivid Blooms Spellbinders die set. I want to thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you've been around a while, I really appreciate it. So let me know what you think of the card below, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.